shield, gloves,
Everything
shoes, shoe cover, and the overall size. Overall the thing. And
These are reusable.
it is 70 GSM reusable ones.
These are reusable.
Yes.
So you can, one of our technician, in spite of being COVID positive and symptomatic, he was helping other COVID patients in the ward and going back and sleeping on his bed.
Okay.
This kind of warriors also we have seen. We have seen warriors where patients have left their, doctors have left their houses and they are staying here only to help the patients. Then there are nurses who have been here in spite of their families, they are staying in our Yatri Niwas and serving patients. So these names I will give you.
Yes, sir.
You can take your own call on felicitating them. They have really done a great job during this pandemic. Hanan and Shamira, they are the office bearers of NGO curators, no?
Yes.
So they have this noble idea of donating PPE kits to Goa Medical College. As you know, the pandemic is on rise. We are really having a lot of patients in Goa Medical College. Day by day, we are opening new wards. Right now, I think I have more than 12 wards with 30 bedded capacity for COVID patients. And in such a high incidence area and high incidence demands, this is a right gesture I feel from on your part to help. Whatever small contributions we do, it directly goes to the benefit the patients who are suffering from COVID. And as a citizens and as a responsible persons of the society, we must right now think nothing but COVID, because more lives saved is more achieved in the society, and that is become a social responsibility of everyone. So on behalf of Goa Medical College and as a dean of this institution, I would like to thank you for such a wonderful gesture, and we would like to work with you in future also wherever there is a help needed from your side.
Hello, my name is Kamran Siddiqui. I am the secretary for Curators Foundation. It's an NGO which is a brainchild of my wife, Shamila Siddiqui. And basically, we work in the areas of health, we work in the areas of education, we work in the areas of women empowerment, and some other work for bringing up the people who are marginalized. We started this NGO about a year back, and today, during the pandemic, we had very few things to do because more on the education side, we were not able to work on much. More on the women empowerment, but then we were able to work on the health. We were able to donate some food packets, and now what has happened is that we, because of this pandemic, right now we are donating about 102 PPE kits. These are reusable PPE kits to the GNC for the corona warriors who have done their best to fight against this pandemic. And this is through the donations that have come from various donors that are there with us. And I would also like to introduce our counselor, Suzanne De Silva.
Hello.
Suzanne De Silva is our counselor for the mental health, which has come in handy during this pandemic, wherein a lot of families had issues, and we were able to sort out some of them, and some we are still working on that. And Sayed Sanaullah is a volunteer and a well-wisher.
I'm the president for Curators Foundation. It's with a lot of effort and with a lot of love that we have collected this donation for our Corona warriors. It was a pleasure to get connected to so many people who had a giving heart, a kind heart to look at the sacrifice of the doctors that they have been doing for almost 7 months now. Today, while collecting donations, we had some issues, that is a number to be connected with the payment. So we have a Google Pay account now. You can pay to us through Google Pay on 9921347072 and help us to do more for the society, more for the people, and more for the world.
So basically, I'm very glad being part of this Curators Foundation and helping my friends to do their best. We pandemic has brought a lot of mental health issues among a lot of couples, which has been rising over this period of time, and this foundation has tried to help a lot of women to come out of it. And I'm wishing them all the best to do their best to help more couples and a lot of social work which is going to come throughout.
I am Syed Sanaullah, founder of Fashion and Glamour World Entertainment and Media. And we are organizing Freedom Prince and Princess Season 3. It is dedicated to Corona Warriors in association with Curators Foundation. You can donate for the Curator donation, Curator Foundation, because we are going to lot of work for the people who need
Who need
and who fight for the corona period.